Miandra le matavinaka malo alelei.
Malo alelei.
Talo falava.
Right.
But ke erton mai no kanto mai Vanuatu.
Iyo na Bulabenaka.
Bulabenaka.
Yeah.
And welcome to Outs Palangi Show. Erbenaka Dems, Erbenaka Eleanor.
Erbenaka, good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning by Artiani and of the islands told ako sa amin na to Yanu.
Dina, men.
Some are having fresh fish this morning for breakfast.
Dina, men.
And that is something very lucky, eh?
Malakan
din anira teka mo kay katalong mo kung sa talo tagi katu.
And the way they are prepared this morning, sama boil nga, some tabuteke with lolo.
Right.
Na dapat besa.
Gori besa.
Tuntum. Kota gue.
Oh my God.
Na kokondis.
Nikat sara ni tag ni maro tag itu ani makaresewom na taltungan ni na salika kamurag ni VTFM. And matakam na ni kuha.
Well, good morning to all being part of this morning.
Right.
Today is Wednesday. It's a 24th of June. We are thankful for we reaching another year, another day, another time of blessing. Coldness is not a joke.
Right.
We need to be careful of what cold is coming through our body. Don't test yourself with cold because cold never comes and go. Come and live.
Live inside.
Live inside your body and continue
and
to evolve and to trying to cancel all your trips inside your future.
Okay, tell us more. What do you mean by
cold?
Canceling the trip?
Right.
Yeah, because one time there is when there is a black weather come.
You'll feel it.
You will feel it before anyone else.
Right.
You gonna feel it if you have the pain and the broken kneecap you have.
Right.
Sometimes you'll face some consequence of life. So sometimes you won't able to bend your hand.
Right.
Bend your knees.
Can't stand up straight because of your back, aching because of the coldness inside.
He himself, the cold, squeeze every muscle in your body.
Right.
Okay, enreta.
And the cold too will bend your body.
Will bend your body.
Right.
Don't play with cold.
Right.
If you want to play with cold, cold will bend you.
Cold will do to us the things that we can't believe. And we kaiso rodi takawika na mata. Yeah, nakadula sa kinango. When we go to the hospital to the doctor and to test us and to
right.
Irasinturi na ka, but di chuki na mata. We can see the cold.
Yes.
Yes. Yari tutuk bimbi kaya na mata ni ko. Yeah, sa kabibi okay, this weather the Messi.
Weather.
Na no mitukutuk be na kanda na ni taging mata.
Before we go to the weather.
Now
from Australia, from Wagga Wagga. Rokorabia lutu ay nimbuka.
Right.
Naitasiri Ratu George kanda bulebu da kombau ambule benaka. May mbau ngo Moses Lovoni obalau o Junior Tupsi may PNG o Chiwa tali may balangi may mbulia ono may kandabu.
Right.
When you say the kind of food we have, the kokonda na I saw the picture, Mami Toji and Tabale Tuma now in Bulia. And Tabale Mac and also to Father Delay.
Water dripping from your mouth. Water really.
Adi.
Okay, hold it.
Come.
Kasara betawa na bungi kangori. Na bungi tukutungori.
Okay.
Watakere tukutuku no ele no na matari kwa. What's the process se nakaeado behind the scene? Nintu ay wala tunga redandor kapkanaika. Turno nili. What?
Right.
What's
going on?
What's going on?
What's happening?
All right.
What's the process?
Inside the body.
Prasad Jemina knows very well because he's from the islands of where we put the fish after eating and put inside the water.
Goma.
No. Naingani.
Naingani, right.
Naingani. So there is a connection between us because we never taste anything from our eyes. We never taste anything from our ears. We never taste anything from our nose. We taste through our tongue. So where there is tongue,
so the imagination comes through the eyes.
Right.
Okay, the imagination through the eyes. From the eyes, it connected to your
brain.
Brain.
Right.
From your brain, where there is tongue, there is saliva.
Right.
You won't see any tongue without saliva.
Right.
Every tongue must have a saliva.
You big saliva.
Big saliva ng mata. If you
Saliva nga.
if you see a tongue,
Right.
there will be a saliva, because without a tongue, without a saliva,
Right.
is a tasteless tongue.
Tasteless tongue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kaya baka endo na yame, mama de singa tukina na weli.
Right.
E kawali na kaya na tobole. Will useless. A tongue without
Useless
saliva.
tongue.
Yeah.
Right.
A tongue without saliva.
Adray tang.
Adray tongue.
Iya.
A tongue without a saliva is a useless tongue.
Arkalos, yan rin melondoni. Arkalos na ngonongo. Sa marukanan na masarto nga may witi.
Oh.
Totoka.
Gunaladera.
Nguno la vera mi basi ka na weli. So sometimes
Iya.
Right.
we don't care about our tongue.
Right.
Yeah.
You must care about your tongue.
Yes.
This
Take
is
care,
how
take care.
this is how you care and take care of your tongue.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sometimes see the phone is ringing.
Iya.
To LT1230 to Dubs ko ko talaga ko ya the more the more you see the tongue.
Right.
The more saliva, the more happier.
Yeah. Different people,
Yeah.
different size of tongue.
Right.
Iya, Dina.
So ya meramba.
Right.
Yeah.
So ya membalavu lila.
Right.
So ya buda leka.
Right.
Depending on how your mouth was built.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Na itu bakini mbuli-mbuli ni ngusunda.
Yeah.
And depending too on how we nakende mbuli-mbuli tawako.
Right.
Right.
So if you see a tongue,
Iya.
his main job is to taste.
Right.
Sometimes we eat so many sweet things that we can't even taste through our tongue. Saling madake,
Iya.
Tasteless.
So the tongue becomes sick.
yeah, becomes you have to care.
Become
So
numb.
you have to ngunuan madake.
Right.
Thou toloniwi,
Right.
the titi,
Yeah.
thangolaya, some what you used to adi?
Huh?
Aloe vera.
Aloe vera? No, not aloe vera.
What's the name of that one?
Laya.
Siya nga na do tal ko na matanggal ko kere mele ko may bali.
Totowiwi.
Ano tiwabala ni?
No.
The green one.
Yes.
Kaya ardo mga taktal nga some people they use that one
Yeah.
to kill otang. Eh?
True.
Yeah.
The bell.
The bell.
Okay,
Yeah.
the bell.
Yeah.
Yes.
Some
No,
they
okay,
use
mainly
it.
for
Back to the
kids.
question.
Mainly
Come.
for kids.
Back to the question. Na connection na chugo na kayo korida.
Yeah.
Wati kena no museni kilani sa
Yeah.
no mweli ana taro.
You see your head?
Iya.
Iko rin ito naman ko iksa.
Yeah. You see your head? You
Yeah.
see your head?
Yes.
On your head.
Right.
On your head. There is 4 cents on your head.
Right.
Only 1 cent is around your body. Your eyes is in your head. Is for seeing.
Iya.
Eh? Your ears is in your head. Is for hearing.
Iya.
Your nose is in your head.
Right.
For nosing. Kaniteng we.
Iya.
And your tongue too is in your head.
Right.
So the only missing sense from your head
Right.
Touch.
is touch.
Yeah.
Is in your hand.
Right.
There is 4 out of 5.
Yes.
4 is in your head.
Right.
So the close content, the
Right.
close related relationship they have is the eyes. When you see the eyes,
Right.
it's close to your tongue.
Right.
They work together.
Right.
Yes.
From
So-
your eyes to your brain send the signal to your tongue.
Yeah.
Right.
They are very close.
Right.
So they are walk inside the same compound.
Right.
Right,
Right.
Gina.
Right. Because saliva.
Yo saramin.
Yeah.
Saliva lubricates the food that we have to eat.
Yeah.
So that is a sign that, like, we want to eat. The
You
brain
see
is
the
telling
tongue?
us.
Yeah.
You see the tongue?
Right.
Inside your mouth, there is a fortress.
Right.
Iya.
The fortress is your teeth.
Right.
Iya.
That's why when you have a pain in your teeth, it's connect to your head.
Right.
Iya.
Elay muskina na ulo mo,
Yeah.
muskina na mata mo,
Yeah.
because they are
Interconnected.
They got a connection.
Intertwine.
Into
Right.
na wire.
Yeah.
The wire that connect them always. That's why
Right.
something you see.
Live wire.
Live wire menini. Something you see.
Right.
It makes your saliva drop.
Right.
Okay,
Right,
okay.
right.
See?
Ya, benar-benar
From what you see to your head, to your brain, to whatever other body parts.
Understandable.
Yeah.
Very understandable.
Oh, right. Right.
Bila kaya bikin mereka dan imbal-imbal se do tarung tu kaya turun kata tu nanueli.
Right.
Esa na kini pemadal na matadi kuah balas ko ndambi cingo.
Iya.
Nangunangan do turkin nanueli ndo ready ndrai bodi motoloa.
Rabila ka Dabs. One ini bila ka all the best to the Mbuan team. To the Mbua team. For the match na Mbuolo na mabaraw na Banua Cup na Bula Mengo.
Right. Beraka, baka nunu ire,
All the
mbure.
best.
Akan benar security service na FRCS na CC. Erto sa mata kamayan na mata kanikuha. Erto benar ka Sosi Bernard Mati.
May nga mo liya
Mati. Emi tagi bagatini Kagil Street Ndabule
Sosi
House.
mo.
Ano na may asesa?
Agora do tanda ka na connection.
So.
Turan ni man ya babela wa dos. Anda re tua. Why ni
Bernard
house
Jare ano benar ka?
Ini buhaus.
Iya.
Oh, marama nita.
Iya.
Sandende.
Nabukay lang yung may nga, doon yan rin ka.
Bula bro, ay
Para
sa
to na lang kanitambang ni.
Oh. Oh, di ba na kibigyan ng ngones ni Namuka. Tanang makitigo na ni Soli.
Iya.
En Ratsukuna Memorial School en Singapore Roingo. Tina ko lang mataka. Medo na pa nakaloka na ka. Pero ngada. Sa metal mataka ni mataka. Go kuru mundo.